Okay, so this is the Bosch Smartphone grip. It's for use with the Bosch SmartSystem, and essentially it will convert your smartphone into a display for your e-bike. So inside the box you get the smartphone grip, you get a locking pin and the detailed instructions. So the smartphone grip replaces the Kiox display, so you just remove the Kiox display, add the smartphone grip, and then your mobile fits inside it. It's also got wireless charging, so it will actually charge your mobile while you're riding, and if you want to use the cable to charge it, there's a micro USB cable ports here that you can actually then attach a cable and then put the other end into your smartphone. The cables are extra, and it does depend which smartphone you've got as to which one you need. So we'll link a description to the different cables in the description below. On the side there is an LED that will indicate your charge level. So yellow will indicate it's charging, and once it's full it will go green. So once you've mounted the display on your bike, you can mount the locking pin, and you just locate it in place with an Allen key. So once your phone's mounted in the smartphone grip, there is a groove inside the mount that actually prevents the buttons from being pressed. If your bike hasn't got the Kiox display, then you can actually buy a retrofit kit, so it will enable you to use a smartphone grip, but it still needs to be a Bosch SmartSystem. The Kiox and the smartphone grip both use the same holder, so swapping between the two is very quick and straightforward. The smartphone grip also supports wireless charging, and the LED indicates that it's charging. You can also charge your smartphone using a cable in the USB port. You will require an additional cable for this. We'll link the various options available for the cables in the description below. The LED on the smartphone grip will turn blue when it's charging from the cable. To remove your phone from the smart grip, push forward with both hands. You can access functions while riding by tapping the Open Ride screen in the ride area at the bottom of the screen. While riding, you can operate the eBike Flow app using the LED remote. Switch the screens with the left or right buttons. Use the plus or minus buttons on the LED remote to switch riding modes.